Hey y'all, this is Brittany. I'm one of the nurse practitioners here at Infinite Athlete Cumming location, and I'm here to talk to you about testosterone replacement therapy. So first, let's talk about some of the benefits of testosterone replacement therapy. So you're gonna have improved mood, improved sleep quality, is increased libido, increased lean muscle mass. That ability to build and maintain that lean muscle is gonna help you with anxiety, depression, and it's also gonna help you mainly with the energy for everyday life, the drive to want to be active, mental focus, mental clarity, your memory. It sharpens all of that. So if you're having brain fog, it can help with that. But mainly it's that energy to help you to get out and enjoy life, everyday life. So testosterone therapy actually consists of 3 different medications typically. So one, of course, is your testosterone. The second one is going to be either HCG or enclomiphene. That's taken to preserve your natural testicular function. We'd find out by talking to you which one is the best for you. And then the last one is going to be an estrogen blocker to prevent your estrogen from getting too high. This way we can have you on a full, well-balanced testosterone replacement therapy regimen. So we have physicians, nurse practitioners, and nurses on staff. So we're all medical here, and there's no appointment needed. So you can pop in and come see us anytime Monday through Friday from 10 to 6, and we can go ahead and get you set up. We try and make it convenient so you can just walk in and get your therapy, and we hope to see you soon.